Hey everyone! We all want to make money online, but it can be hard to know where to start. Well, don't worry, I'm here to help. Today I'm gonna give you 10 amazing ways to make money online. Let's get started with number 1, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online and it's really easy to get started. All you have to do is sign up with an affiliate network, choose a product or service to promote, and earn commissions whenever someone purchases through your link. Number 2 is becoming an online tutor. If you have knowledge in a certain area, you can make a lot of money by teaching others what you know. You can set up a website and start advertising your services or use existing platforms like Udemy and Tutorm. The third way to make money online is freelancing. There are many websites out there that allow you to find clients and get paid for the work you do. This can include things like writing, designing, coding, and more. Number 4 is to become an influencer. Everyone is looking for influencers these days, so if you have a large social media following you can make a lot of money by promoting products and services. Number 5 is to create an online course. If you're knowledgeable in something, you can create an online course and help others learn while making money at the same time. Number 6 is to start dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold any inventory, you just need to set up a website and market the product. Number 7 is to start an e-commerce store. There are many e-commerce platforms out there that make it easy to launch a store. All you have to do is add some products and start selling. Number 8 is to start an email list. Email marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. All you have to do is build an email list and start sending out promotions to your subscribers. Number 9 is to start a blog. A blog is a great way to make money through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. Finally, number 10 is to start a YouTube channel. This is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online and all you have to do is create content and monetize it. So there you have it, 10 amazing ways to make money online. Pick one, take action, and watch the money come in.